Alright, what's going on everyone? Well, this box actually came in as a surprise, mainly because I thought I had stopped receiving Petrol box. The last one I had received, I believe, was the November box. I did not get the January or the December box, but, well, here we are, February. So, what do you say we get right into it? Alright, so... Alright, as always, you're greeted with the standard Petrol thank you card along with the list of the contents inside. Set that to the side for right now. Pull back the black instruction paper and, well, what do you say we start with this one? Alright, so this is definitely February's box. So the February ride of the month is Wayne Clark's R32, I believe. Well, congratulations, Wayne. I would kill for an R32. Alright, so the tool for the month is a screw pop. So it looks like it is a mini screwdriver that attaches to your keychain. See, it doesn't look like it comes with many different heads, but it does come with the one standard Phillips head. So it does fit universal bits. So yeah, very nice in case of an emergency when you don't have a screwdriver. Cool. Next up we have this, what is this? Nifty, it's actually called the Nifty Brush Interior Carpet and Upholstery Detailing and Cleaning Brush. So, okay. And then we have the lightning fast, what is this? Stain extractor. So it looks like these two go into conjunction. This is an interior cleaner. You spray it, you scrub it, get your interior clean. Very nice. So I guess I would kind of consider this a tool almost. So now we get two tools and a product cleaner. We get a 10% off code. Save 10% off on your purchase next online. What's the code? Doesn't really say, but well, if I'm not seeing it, there you go. But if you want to save on your Petrol box, go ahead and use the coupon code Doughboy to save some money off your first box. And then the decal for this month is Honest Speed Shop. It's pretty cool. Air freshener is also by the same Ranch. Natalie Ranch, I believe that's what it is. Then another Honest Speed promotion card, Performance Diesel and Off-Road. Join their Facebook. $3 off all apparel. Here you go. Use the code HSS_shirt3. Go ahead and feel free to use that. Then, of course, we have another Rotiform wheel coaster. Love these things. Then, of course, we have our candy, the Hershey Kisses. And then the t-shirt for the month, upside down, is Land of the Fast, Home of the Brave, Honest Speed Shop. Let me see. There you go. Nothing on the back. Nice gray t-shirt. Very soft. So, there you go. Get a better look. Alright. And that looks like it's it for the box. So, yeah. So yes, you had the interior cleaner with the brush, the little pocket screwdriver, the coaster, the wheel of the month, the t-shirt, as always. Use the coupon code Doughboy to save on your first box. And until next time, guys, later.